Mentally, exactly the same until I saw my blood work and my total cholesterol was 400.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I didn't feel
400?
good anymore. Yeah, 400 milligrams
Are you
per
serious?
deciliter. Yeah, that's
Holy-
on hormone replacement. And my LDL was 270, HDL was
What do you think about
the
the carnivore diet? So individuals whose gut microbiome is so compromised that they can only tolerate one food source, and it seems to be red meat. Isn't that kind of weird? Like, why would it just be red meat you can tolerate of all the things?
It seems really convenient, let's say, that the one thing that you happen to tolerate is not green peas. It is actually red meat, which you can survive off. Obviously the carnivore diet, in the diet realm, my opinion, Derek, you and I talk privately about this, and I tell you that I have a feeling that people with mild mental issues hide out in the nutrition wars. So sometimes you'll find people with some issues in the ketogenic world or in the carnivore world, and these are people who are sort of religious. They're religious about their opinions, right? So I think in general, if you were able to avoid GI distress with a carnivore diet, you would probably find at least one more food in the entire world that you could tolerate. There would be one more. It would be like purple radish or something. So thereby it wouldn't be carnivore, and then it wouldn't be so branded, and then it would just be a normal elimination diet and wouldn't be so cool. So it's just, in my opinion, it's probably a lazy approach. I mean, maybe people respond badly to each other food, but I assume that's not the case, and they just want something to be easy for them to deal with.
Yeah.
How did you feel mentally on carnivore versus keto, Steve?
About the same.
Yeah.
Mentally, exactly the same until I saw my blood work and my total cholesterol was 400.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I didn't feel good anymore. Yeah, 400 milligrams
Are you
per
serious?
deciliter. Yeah, that's on hormone replacement. And my LDL was 270, HDL was 90, I think. Yeah, I discontinued right away. But I'll be honest, like I was doing a lot of calories, on the carnivore diet. So I wasn't really sure if that is the contributing factor of the dietary cholesterol that was coming from cheese and some butter, just to keep my cholesterol up. So I've seen blood work on other people where the total cholesterol is not that high, like 300, 350, which is still way out
familial
of range.
Hypercholesterolemia. Yeah, that's still familial hypercholesterolemia.
I'm fine, my inflammatory markers are low. Yeah.
So that's how you could qualify for Repatha. It's just a carnivore diet.
Yeah, right.
That's what I was just thinking. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, just to keto, and it was only after 28 days. I was like, this diet sounds a little bit wishy-washy. So I only do February. I like to do my monthly experiment. February, only 28 days. 28 days went 400 cholesterol.
Unbelievable.
And I contacted Paul Saladino, who gave me an exorbitant rate. So I was like, okay, I'll resolve this myself by taking the dietary cholesterol out.
Paul is an interesting character. Yeah, he really strikes me as an interesting person. I would love to talk to him one day and learn more about.
Only talk about consuming testicles.
Yeah, he likes to. It's a weird thing.